Come on, come on.
Come here, I need to break your kneecap. No, back. Gosh.
Highlight! Watch it. Go, go, go on.
What up? Yeah, let's go. Touch, touch. You gotta go over.
Line.
Go. Picture, anything's gonna be up there. No.
Go.
Oh,
there we go, baby. You got it. Get up.
come on, CJ. Go. Woo.
Hey, that's the one, baby.
Oh, there. No one.
Oh, yeah. No touch.
Almost two. I was going to say, you guys have a lot in common. Oh, come on.
No one.
Hey,
Great. One up.
come on. Come on, D.
Come on. I got it. One up.
Quick line. Oh my God.
Okay. Fine. Yeah, buddy.
Get up, D.
I think we're going for a bike ride.
Get up, Tanner. Yes. Nice job.
Get up, line.
Come there. I got it. Oh.
9 to 12.
No. Come on. Me. Straight up.
Line.
Yeah, that's it.
No one. One up.
Come on.
Oh, CJ. Try.
Line. Oh, my bad. Line, angle.
One up.
Come on, CJ. Angle.
I'm there. Yes!
If you're available. Yeah. I'll do it. Cool.
Oh. Angle.
Straight up.
Line.
Boy.
Line. Go, Angle, Angle! Angle, Angle! You got it, you got it. All right. Touch, go over. Go deep! Put up. Oh, baby!
I said, switch.
Oh!
No. I can feel the shit.
Coming over. Under. No. Go. Head kick.
It spikes, but it's called the rumble roller, and I use that on the IT man.
Put up. Go. No.
What you want to do is take a look with your eyes and open up. All right, so then you're pushing down here.
Scott, there's nobody there. Scott, do you see dead people?
From doing that.
Oh, really?
Literally, Jim, I do that. Net system, you know, with the aluminum frames and the net and all that. And I got it, and I saw the UPS sticker. It said 75 pounds. I'll never forget, man. The lady at my mailbox store never felt my disc before, but I felt it there for that split second. And it felt like there was a hard sponge that got. So yeah, I'll roll out my